See, communication India is a vast country. Okay, and I think it is not about why is it important, not just for the communication but also to talk to other people. Because English act as a medium, right?
Got it.
India is a country of multiple and multiplicity of languages, right? Being a plural nation, India holds us together. It bridges the gap of communication. And that's why it's essential. I think because I have been learning it since childhood, right? It's not my first language, but again, it's my second language. And by learning it as a second language, I've acquired this in terms of standard of living, in terms of facilities, in terms of employment, has auditory memory. Okay, we have auditory kind of memory. Whatever we listen, we remember it for a long period of time. So what happens is when you're listening something, there is a chunk of lines that you remember by heart, something that excites you or interests you the most. Try to copy those lines in your own words.
Got
That will help you to be more fluent. Okay, I think we have already come to the end of our session. I hope you have enjoyed the session.
it. Oh my God. Okay, ma'am. So, but I asked you many questions in the beginning, but you didn't tell me about my question answer.
Which one?
I think I asked you many questions, more than two questions. They
For
were
this
related to
session,
English.
I think, see, it's not everything that I can tell you, and you do this and you do that, because everyone has different perspective, and I do not wish to make my perspective more advanced that you have to follow this and that. It's totally up to your choice. I do not believe in giving advices. I only believe in doing.
But you told me that this is your second language and you learned. Why? I don't know why. How
I've
did you
See,
do it?
I have
I
been
think.
doing it since childhood. Since childhood, I have been doing it. So that's why it can be possible for some people, and for some people, it might not. But everything can be acquired. I cannot learn German. I have been having so many difficulties and problems while learning German, and I cry because I cannot learn German because it's not my first language. It's my seventh or fifth language that I'm not able to learn. But again, with practice, I think I might be able to learn few words. I might not sound the native German, but I'm trying my best, right? So everyone cannot be perfect in everything. If I'm good in English, I'm bad at German. Evening.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also doing great. Thank you for asking.
I'm so sorry, I cannot hear you properly.
Right now,
Yeah.
due to windy, weather is too windy. Hmm,
Okay. All right. So, shall we begin with the session?
definitely.
Okay. So today, our topic of discussion is settling outside India. What's your thought on that? Do you ever want to settle outside India?
I think so. If I get a chance to go outside, uh, out of India, so definitely I would love to visit some places, not everyone, every places, because I like mostly America and Australia.
Properly. If it's possible, can you sit somewhere else where I can be able to hear you?
Right now, ma'am.
Yeah, a little
Right now.
better. Yes, a little
Oh, got
better.
it.
Thank you so much.
I told
Okay.
just before 10 minutes, here windy was going on. Continuing, and you can say, uh, which is why I think you are not able to hear my voice properly. But
Yeah.
just I want to speak English here, so that's why I have come here outside from my place. And but I don't know why what happened in an environment, and now you can say we are not able to
Basically,
talk
in
to
the
each other.
weather,
Weather
change
is
in the
so
weather.
normal. Yeah, yes, yes. I
Yeah.
didn't have knowledge,
Okay.
otherwise I would would not book your session. at
No
this time.
issues with that. No issues with that. Let's continue. Shall we continue if you're comfortable enough?
Yes, ma'am. They are having good time, and which is why they are celebrating each other.
Okay, I think you're on page number 4. We are on page number 2. Page number 2, there is another image of a man sitting in a coat and pant and
Okay,
looking very
got it, got it.
distressed. Yeah.
Yeah, due to his job, maybe he has already lost his job.
Okay.
Yeah,
And have you ever faced any such situation?
yeah. I have faced many times. I got uh, you can say I have seen many rejection or failure in my life. So I'm very strong person as well, very honest. So which is why I do not care about anything. Whatever happen, happen for some reason. So I like this type of things.
Okay. Also, we won't use what were happened. It's grammatically incorrect. So that's why we'll use what happened before. Okay? Were, if you're using were, it should be happening, not happened.
Got
It's
it.
about past continuous tense. Okay?
Got it, man.
Okay. So, do you know anyone who feels pressured at the workplace?
I don't know anyone.
Okay, no
I do not have
issues.
knowledge.
Okay. And what do you say about the corporate culture? What's your thought on that?
I sorry, ma'am. I don't have knowledge about any corporation job, like a corporation job. So just I was studying. It's been couple of years. I quit my preparation due to some circumstances, and now I'm here learning English. So just I want to learn English so that I can do something.
Yes, definitely you can achieve your goals. All right, no issues with that. You can come on page number 4 and let's discuss those pictures. All right,
Got it,
you
man.
can come on page number 4. There is the first picture. And according to you, what does the first image depict?
I told you they are having good time. Maybe
You have to generate a story on it. Okay, because the story is incomplete in the pictures, so it should be your own interpretation of it.
I would like to say they are having good time due to his job. Maybe he got a job, which is why he's celebrating with his family. Now,
Okay, better. Second image, what do you think?
maybe he he's enjoy. Sorry, she is enjoying her life, and she got a chance to go another city or another country to stay or do her work. So maybe he got some time to spend with herself, which is why she went another like she yeah, I would say that she is enjoying her life.
In the middle, you were getting confused between she and he, right?
Yeah, I don't know why. Maybe
Okay, lovely. That's a great perspective. And what about third picture?
I'm unable to see you properly, but I would say that that is a fair. People they are celebrating and they are working here and there. They are purchasing things whatever they need.
Okay, what's your memory of fair? Have you ever been to any fair before?
Yeah, Mahakam. Oh my God, it is my native place. So when it happened, so I was there and I enjoyed a lot with my friend as well, and I was having good time. I had a good time there.
Can you share your experience with me in like few words? Elaborate it more.
I would say one day we had a four friend and went to near the temple. So there we worship God, and after that we went outside near the Ganga. So there we took a bath into the Ganga, and but my friend they were having good time because of they didn't have any experience about Ganga, so they were celebrating, and I enjoyed a lot. And then I got a chance to. Uh, like sit on the like a boat, ma'am.
Yes,
We
both.
got a chance. Then we went in the middle of Ganga. So there we took a bath again. Then we returned at home, and then we prepared a break like our dinner. It was paneer and chapati.
Oh, lovely. That's a great combination. All right, let's move to the picture number four. What do you think about it?
Picture number four. I would say that they are maybe they got work. They got some work. So that why which is why they are trying to solve that work, and they are looking a bit nervous and as well stressful.
Okay, if you have to create any scenario about this image, what would it be and why?
I think you were asking about fourth one, and I told you fifth one.
Yeah, but I understand that you were talking about these two couples who were having a argument about it, and I understood about it. So, can you create any imaginary scenario or a story in your own words about it?
Yes, when I was preparing for government exam, so that time I got we got to work, and so that time I was a bit like you can say little bit better than them. So that which is why I was telling and I was trying to make them understand that you can solve this question like this, and they were looking very stressful, and but made them understand that you can try once and definitely you're gonna do it.
Okay, lovely. You know, you speak very fast.
Sorry, ma'am.
You speak very fast.
Uh, I don't know, ma'am. I think you got me.
You know, you have to speak with a pace. There is very important whenever you are speaking to think before and then speak with proper pauses in the middle. If you speak very fast, your thoughts will get scattered.
Got it, ma'am.
Right?
I would
Take
love to
a
care
pause.
about my
Hmm.
fluency.
Yes. And that's why pronunciation also gets intermingled whenever you are speaking. Okay. Always take a little bit of pause and break while you are speaking so that even the structure, what you're trying to imply, can be aligned together.
Ma'am, do you mind? Just I wanted to interrupt you here. Just let me know that. Just tell me, or you can give me any tips or tricks to become fluent or to become like
You
any
have,
type of good speaker.
see, you have already joined this platform, and there you can try various speakers, various tutors here. And definitely, by the end of joining the sessions, continuous practice, you'll be able to achieve your goal. But if you want to do apart from anything, you can hear podcast. You can, if you want, you can read some different kind of books that you are interested into. It can be fiction and non-fiction, travelogues. But if you are not at all interested in reading, start building your habit with podcast. Listen more
Got it, ma'am.
and then try to copy that same podcast in your own voice.
Got it.
Okay, it will give you a lot of confidence if you're able to imitate the other person well. English is all about, I believe, imitating. You must have any one person who is your role model. You accept that person and you try to be like that one.
But I would say that it's been couple of months I have been imitating foreigners because I like their accent.
That's a lovely thing, you know. It's good to be a part of something that you really want to be. And it's a process, okay? It cannot be happen like within 1 week I want to be fluent in English. That's not entirely possible. English is a language of a nuance, and it has different dialects, different grammatical, different semantic applications. Okay? But what's important is that you speak more, but with a pause.
Got it, ma'am. I do not know about my fluency, but I would say that yeah, most of the tutors they have been suggesting me service. What are you doing? You have to reduce your rate of speech, otherwise you. would make a lot of mistake while speaking.
Yes. And that's why it's essential that you take minute breaks whenever you are speaking.
Got it, ma'am.
Inculcate vocabulary also. Okay, because till now you have not made many grammatical mistakes, but again, the rate of speech is quite fast. Think a lot, speak more, take your time, you'll definitely achieve it.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay, do you have any more questions?
Oh my God, I have. You know, ma'am, I have been practicing English for a long time. It's been 2 years. So even though sometimes I make a lot of mistakes. I don't know why. Just you can make me understand. How you can teach me how can I overcome of those mistakes.
You know, it will happen to you situation by situation. You have to keep on practicing. It's not something that I tell you 10 recipes and you apply to it and then you'll become fluent in English. So for that, you try to take step by step, take baby steps. Step number 1, try to listen to podcast, read more, and then imply that in your vocabulary, your speech, and how you try to express yourself.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay, all right. We
So,
have
ma'am,
finally.
uh,
Mhm.
by by listening something in English, I can improve my English.
Okay, see, it is grammatically incorrect what you just said. Okay, when you listen to something, our mind